fantastic area. The desert setting as we're flying around, it's wonderful to be here and to jump over the desert. Also quite a relaxed atmosphere here, we're enjoying it. We've been doing it for a couple of years actually, but this is the first. We've done the dual inverted with 2 aircraft and the single before that, but this is the first time we've done this one, and we've been practicing for the last 4 months, solely on this particular maneuver, the triple inverted parachute jump.
Anyhow, it feels great, but you know, it is a mix of feelings. Your feeling of the responsibility towards your country that you are representing, towards the people that you are trying to entertain, and also towards your friend who is flying with you. So it is a mixture of feelings and emotions. We can call it our trademark. This is the Saudi logo, and also it is the Saudi Hawks team logo, which is the 2 sword and the palm tree.
Please give a massive round of applause for the 2010 Saudi Hawks.